Kumusta na lang tanan mga bata?
Happy birthday, Ninya! Marami pang birthday ang darating. God bless you. Magkita-kita tayo uli.
Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Keep safe.
Hi Ate Nem, kamusta? Happy birthday! Happy birthday mo pala ngayon. Miss na kita, te. Stay healthy. Sana matapos na tong pandemic na to para magkita-kita naman tayo pag may time. Yan lang. Salamat, te, sa friendship. Napakabait mo sa amin. Love you. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Nemya! Kumusta ka na? Today is your birthday. Sana magkita pa tayo ulit. Happy birthday! Happy 62 birthday! Mag-iingat lagi. Sana lagi kang malakas, lagi kang maganda. Para sa ganoon, maalagaan mo pa ang mga anak mo. Thank you very much sa friendship natin. Sa pag-iintindi mo sa akin. Minsan, pagka nang-o-cry ako, minsan mabait, minsan hindi. Miskin na yung inuman natin. Huwag na masyadong uminom. Kasi nasa edad ka na, 62 years old ka na, okay? I love you. Sana magkita pa tayo ulit. Miss na kita. Happy birthday. Miss ko na yung inuman natin. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday, 61st birthday. Senior ka na. Ay.
Go.
Happy birthday, Ninya. Mama ni Mateo, happy birthday. Mama ni Mia, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama ni Mia. Sing hi. Sing hi. Ay, sing hi. Tinaguan to yung nausa.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sige.
Natuya, upayat ka kanta.
Game na. Hello! How are you, my dear cousin? My favorite na Sansi, the number one, my Sansi. Sansi, how old are you now? You're still 16? Ha? You're still young. Wow! Happy birthday! And sana, Sansi, magiging matibay ka na, magiging mother, magiging lola, magiging mommy. Tapos sa amin, tapos ang wish ko sa'yo na maging good health ka, palagi kang masaya. I know you are masaya ngayon, no? Kasi you are Mrs. Ray. Dili na dito sa ayaw itong pagkuan na, wad agod. Tapos, Sansi, sana magiging masaya ka ngayon sa buhay mo. You're still good, healthy. And smile naman. Happy birthday. And many more birthdays to come, Sansi. I love you, Sansi.
Happy birthday, go. Happy birthday, Ninya. Happy birthday, Ninya. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninya. Be good, Ninya.
Birthday ni Mia, kumusta ka mo nga damot handa? Sige. Kumusta na lang tanan mga bata?
Happy birthday, Ninya. Marami pang birthday ang darating. God bless you. Magkita-kita tayo uli.
birthday. More blessings to come. Keep safe.
Salamat na umabot kita hininga ng mga panidaron. Happy birthday to you. I have plenty of wishes for you, Made. This year, I am hoping for you a good health, more blessings coming from Him, and of course, with Aton family safe amidst this pandemic. I love
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Miss Nenia de Jesus. Miss, sana marami ka pang birthday dumating.
Kailan daw di ka mo makakadto?
Senior ka na.
Senior ka na! Marang ka nga niyang panahon, dire kang pwede makada para dinalaak. Ismanda.
Sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Oh, oy tingog. Hello, everybody. Greetings from Gloria de Jesus family. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Sulugin.
Happy birthday to you.
Sulugin.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nimya!
Hello, we love you.
It's your birthday today. Have a nice day. Happy birthday. It's nice to be with you. We love you all. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Nimya! Ang Tatay Reyes in heaven.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Keep safe. And regards to everyone.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nimya!
Happy birthday!
Maglaan na ta! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Wish you good health at sana maging mahupay ni nga tuig kayo mo. Love you.
Hi ma, happy birthday, more birthday to come. Stay healthy din. Kami soon magkikita kayo taring tayo.
Wanna pressy ikaw, wanna pressy ikaw. Happy birthday, Mana Nimya. Sana humilaba pa tim kinabuhi, tapos more tagays pa hiti mo mga friendship. Sana matapos na ining na pandemic para makakadto ka na Hadavaw, kandaan tinene, tapos kamo nga magburog to makuan nan iyo plano, tapos makauli ka na tanawon para more tagays to kamit imo mga friendship hatan all laite. Happy 61st birthday, Mommy Nimya.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. We're sorry for being such a burden when we were just a kids. Thank you for all of the love, especially with the tough love. And I won't say that we're lucky to have you as our nanay, but I would prefer we're blessed. So we're so blessed as having you as our nanay, mama, or whatsoever na tawag ngayon. And happy birthday and God bless. Love you, Nay.
Hey yo mga karaybos! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the birthday of our mother Nimya. So we will have a simple greeting. So my greetings goes this way. Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, everyone na Nimya. There's this way. May God bless you and more birthdays to come. Thank you. Bye!
Po, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mother! This is Ella. Yes, and she's my longtime friend. She's Habib. Yes. Happy birthday, po. Ready, go,
1, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. We Happy birthday, Mama!